Now what I've said, this has come by default in red color. This red color, suppose I want to change it into a black. So you can take the color setting and you can make it. Now here you can write, suppose you want to write now. Okay, so tab stop. Where you will find the tab? See, tab is here. That means in your keyboard, this is a tab key. If you press this tab key, say, the thing will come in the particular area. Okay, the thing will come in the particular area where the tab has been given. That means first tab position where it has been given. So this is the tab key. See, it is going there. Okay, so this is how you can insert this particular thing. This you can insert afterwards also. So let, if you want to hide it, then just click it. This will going to be hide. Now suppose first tab, first I am writing the name. Okay, then I am pressing the tab key. As soon as I press the tab key, it come here. Suppose uh, computer. Okay, next tab key, suppose science. Next tab key, now I am giving here what, the English. After you give it English, now suppose I am giving this particular thing total. So if you press the this particular key, that means your space bar key, then it will go to the one position. But if you press it here, then it will go to the next tab top, that is 12. Now here I am giving total. Okay. Now next tab key, as soon as it is come, now this one is giving result. Okay, now give enter. As soon as you give enter, now what you find it here, you can give the name, suppose Ajay. After that, press the tab key. Suppose in computer 55.5. Next in science, suppose 60.5. Next in English, suppose 45.5. Now total, you can remove this total. One total is already there, so no need of two totals. Okay, one stop, next stop. So in this total you can do the total marks, what the total has been uh, get by the particular student, and then the result. That means let us do the total. Use the calculator. 55.5 plus 60.5 plus 45.5, okay, equals to 161.5. So 161.5. Now the result what I am giving here in the result section, passed. Okay, so this way you can give another, if you want to give the another student name, another your friend name, suppose Bimal. Similarly, Bimal has scored suppose 80, then Bimal has scored suppose 50, then Bimal has scored suppose 65. Okay, now Bimal has scored, what is the total marks is here, add it. Let use again the calculator. That means 80 plus 50 plus 65, 195. So 195. Now give the tab stop. Okay, now passed. So this is how you can give their ranking, give their marks in the basic way. Now